Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need developer options available before changing USB debugging, so start now. Make sure the Infinix has at least some charge and is unlocked. Open Settings and search for Developer. If nothing appears, go to About Phone and tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Once done, press back to Settings and locate Developer Options. This saves time versus hunting through menus. Make sure you remain on the device while you continue. Don't connect to a computer yet. You're in Developer Options now. Scroll carefully until you see USB debugging. Tap the USB debugging toggle to switch it off. This immediately stops ADB access and prevents data transfer commands. When a confirmation dialog appears, read it quickly and confirm by selecting OK. This step ensures apps won't request debugging without your consent. Once you toggle it off, make sure the toggle shows off or gray if it re-enables. Check for apps requesting permissions or a persistent profile. You're almost done. Reboot the phone to fully apply the change setting and close any lingering ADB sessions. After reboot, confirm USB debugging remains off by returning to Developer Options. If the toggle reappears enabled, go to Developer Options and tap Revoke USB debugging authorizations to clear stored ADB keys, then try again. If problems persist, check for security apps or device management profiles that restore settings. And only as a last resort, consider a factory reset. Back up your data first to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.